I did it! I beat the scalpers. I finally got my hands on a next-gen console. And I can't wait to get this open and try it out. It's not the thing I wanted originally. I wanted a PS5. But I always said to myself, whatever console I got my hands on first, that's it. And in the future I might get a PS5. But for now, you can't get it anywhere. And I beat the scalpers. I was up at 4 AM for some stupid reason, and that meant I saw some on Twitter about Argos having stock, and that were it. Went on, and I spent an hour adding stuff to different stores. Nothing for delivery, I was click and collect. Just keep trying, if you ever see all like that. It's probably best just having a look when they don't announce anything, because if they announce something about a restock, you're never going to get it. So let's dive in. I cannot wait to get this open. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Don't know which way around it is, but we'll find out soon enough. Yeah, I did it right.